All right, here we go. All right, first of all, we're just stating the restrictions for the first four. All right, so restriction for number 2, we said is x. That is correct. X cannot equal 5. Anybody have any questions with that? Remember, it's just where the denominator is 0. When you have a fraction, the denominator cannot equal 0. Anybody have any issue with that? All right, now for question number 4, you have to do the factoring. So x plus 2, x minus 2. So now we say the restriction, x cannot equal, or x cannot equal -2. Now it's helpful if you speak up as soon as you're unfamiliar or you're not sure about something. Anybody have any issues with that so far? All right, here we go. Now for number 6, we're not stating restrictions, we're simplifying now. So you factor 5 parentheses x plus 2y over 15. And then of course now we're reducing. 5 goes into 5 and 5 goes into 15. So your final answer is just x plus 2y over 3. Anybody have any issues? All right, now number 8. What is number 8? -1, exactly. They're written backwards. So it is in fact -1. Everybody good? You all right? All right, here we go. Number 10. Now we start just doing all the factoring. All right, so the top one, there is a GCF. So what's common on the top?
3x.
Good job, 3x. I'm left with
X minus 1.
what?
2x. 2x minus 1.
I'm left with 2x minus 1. So what's probably on the bottom? So then I just come down here and put down 2x minus 1.
3x minus 5.
All right. Then I'm looking at 2x, making it 6x squared. So we know that's 3x. And I want it to be a plus 5. So this has to be a minus 5. Now remember, I'm telling you, I'm not saying that's the answer. I'm saying you should always double check. -3, -10 makes the -13. So we know we're correct. All right, so now we have to do what? Cross out. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. And then we are left with 3x over 3x minus 5. Can I reduce the 3x and the 3x?
Yeah.
Definitely what? Definitely not. Things bounded by addition and subtraction, you cannot reduce. Things bounded by addition and subtraction, you cannot reduce. All right, here we go. Number 12. Again, factoring. So we have the top x minus 5 and x minus 5 on the bottom. Yes, 5 minus x and 5 plus x. All right, so now here's where you have to be a little bit careful, because now we can cross out x minus 5 and 5 minus x, but it crosses out to a what? -1. So now I have negative parentheses x minus 5 over. Now, hopefully this is not going to bother you. I'm going to go ahead and just say x plus 5. Again, can I cross out the x's? Definitely not. Bounded by addition, you cannot. What?
So, is it points off if we do 5 plus x?
No, it's the same. I'm just saying traditionally you write the variable in front of the number. All right, Time to speak up if you're not sure about something. All right, here we go. 14. Now we're reducing the fraction. All right. Now notice I see a negative out in front, so it's kind of hidden. So I make myself or a reminder that negative is the answer. Then I can reduce by a factor of 12. 12 goes into 24 twice. 12 goes into 60 5 times. So now that's going to be negative 2 over 5. How many x's on top?
9.
9. And then there would be a what?
1
Y where? On the bottom. Anybody struggling with that at all? Anybody struggling with that? All right, here we go. 4x squared minus 9 factors 2. Exactly. Well, then what can cross out? Yep. So my final answer is just 2x minus 3. Everybody good with that? All right, here we go. 36 over 81. I can reduce by a factor of 9. 9 goes into 36 4 times. 9 goes into 81 9 times. So now I have 4 over 9. And then x cubed over x squared on top, and then y to the 7th on the bottom. And then what happens? Z cancels. All right, once again, anybody have any issues? Anybody have any issues? All right, here we go. GCF. What's common? X, parentheses. X minus 2, beautiful. So there's probably a what on the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and put x minus 2. And then I need a negative 6. So that would have to be a positive 3. Then, of course, I'm checking negative 2x and positive 3x. That's your positive x. You good with that? And now we just cross out x minus 2, x minus 2, x over x plus 3. Anybody have any problems? All right, here we go. Looks to me like the only one that can factor is 4x squared minus 9, right? So 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. And now we can just say 2x plus 3 cancels, right? Now be careful, the 2 and the 6, 1 and 3. Now you have to be real careful here, guys. 1/3. And then what's true with the x and the x squared? Does everybody see what I'm getting at? I'm asking about this x and this x squared.
There's only 1 x.
1x on the bottom. And then what else on the bottom? 2x minus 3. So there you have it. Everybody good? All right, here we go. Now division changes to multiplication. So here we go. One big fraction bar. 3x minus 5, 6x squared. 3x on the top. What can I factor on the bottom? Or what's this factor to?
3x.
That's it? What's common? Someone help him.
Oh,
2
2. So it's 3.
parentheses 3x minus 5. Everybody seeing that? Now 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5 equals fraction bar. This 3 becomes a 1, the 6 becomes a, so that fraction looks to me like 1 what?
1/4.
I think it's 1/4, right?
Yeah.
You see the 2 2s, right? And then,
That's not the x and
right, then you got to be real careful the way you're saying this. That x and that x squares reduces to a what?
x on the
X on the bottom. So my answer is just 1/4x. My answer is just 1/4x. Anybody have any issue with that? Anybody? All right, guys, that's pretty good. All right. This one looks obnoxious. Just a bunch of factoring, easy factoring though. All right. So here we go. What about x squared minus 4? Good. X minus 2, x plus 2. Now, what about the denominator?
x plus 3.
I'm good with that. Now, what about the numerator?
X minus 5.
Say it again.
X.
Somebody help.
X plus 8. That's the x minus 8 x plus 8.
You with me on that, Jake?
9.
Right?
Then on the bottom, x minus 8 x minus 2. That's on the bottom.
And then on the bottom. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody have any issues with that? All right. Now let's go. What can cross out? X plus
X
3,
minus 8.
x minus 8.
So it's just 1.
X minus 2. Well, how much fun is that? After all that, it's just a what? 1. Super annoying.
I wouldn't have minded something a bit more grand other than just 1.
All right, 28. All right, here we go. This is the important one because the factoring is a little bit harder.
This one already looks like it's 1. I just feel it.
Not gonna be 2.
Oh no, it's gonna be 1. It's gonna be 1.
So the top, what does that factor to? 2x plus 1 and what? 1. Are you sure? I don't think that's correct.
2x plus 3.
Yeah, let's correct his garbage. 2x plus what?
3
And
minus
x minus 1. Does anybody believe that?
I should. It's John.
Yeah.
3 minus 2 is the positive 1. So again, please just check your work. It's easy. All right, so now we've taken care of the top. Now the bottom should be pretty easy. What is this one? Say it again. All right, now just to make sure that go together. Those two go together. Now, this right here is going where? On the top. All right, so I'm listening.
3x and x and then it's 2 plus
Somebody agree with that? Well, I don't think you should.
Oh, wait, I said it wrong. 3x plus 1.
We know that. All right. You don't have to tell us you're wrong. Somebody help him. Somebody help him.
3x plus 1. X minus
3x plus 1 and x minus 2. Is that better? 1 minus 6 is that -5. All right, so yes, that is good. All right, now this goes where? On the bottom. All right, hold up. I want to hear Oscar again. Let's see if he can get one right today.
3x plus 1.
3x plus 1 and what? Are you sure? 2 and 9 does in fact make 11. So congratulations, Oscar.
Oh, man, it's one.
And it's 1. I could just tell.
No, you can't.
You don't have,
You're
you're not.
mathematically.
All right, here we go. So now x minus 1, x minus 2, 3x plus 1, 2x plus 3. So after all that, it's a what? 1. All right, here we go. Let's have some more fun. Any words of wisdom on this? What you think it equals?
It's 1.
7.
No.
I'll bet it's 1. I'll bet it's 1.
How much you bet?
Really?
How much?
I'll answer after the question.
All right, here we go.
1.
Now,
1
make a
spell answer.
giant fraction. X minus 3. The bottom, what's common?
3. No, not 3. Not 3. I take it back.
Do you?
Common 2x.
2x. Thank you. What's left behind?
3x. X minus 7.
What?
3x minus 7.
Oscar, can we get one right today, please?
Justin.
All right. Now, where does this 3x minus 7 go?
Top.
On the top. All right, now what am I going to do with this x squared minus 3x?
There's a common x.
There's a common x. So where does that go? So it's x times x minus what?
3.
X minus 3. All right, now let's have fun crossing out. X minus 3
2x squared.
and then 3x minus 7. So now my final answer is what?
1 over 2x squared.
Yes, 1 over 2x
Still has
squared.
1 in there.
Based off of past tendencies, you have to understand where it came
It's just why do so many ones?
from.
The letter 1.
Thank you, Oscar.
Letter.
All right, now, again, what I'm going to do is I will stop the video now. All right, I have all of the odds up posted already. If for some strange, bizarre reason, you're not 100% sure, all right, you can listen to the explanation, all right, for all of the odds. All right, I prefer now that you sit, do a good job, all right, work the odds. All right, as soon as I get done posting this, I will then post to this assignment my worked out solutions. All right, and then if you don't want to listen to the video, all right, which I know everyone does, all right, then you can just look at the solutions themselves.
Last night's video was a black.
I listened to.
It was a black screen?
Last night it was a
Oh,
black.
wow. All right, let me see if we can do this now. Get to work.